Today, the typical coverage of breaking news is often very one-dimensional. Unlike existing solutions, with NewsSnapper you select the news most relevant to you, and you make it come to life. Our app lets you record and broadcast the news right from your device along with other news snappers on the scene. Every person, every viewpoint, every insight makes the news come alive in a different way, culminating in a 360-degree picture of the news from a different angle, giving you a unique perspective of breaking stories. The more you report good stories, the better your opportunity to be a citizen journalist superstar. Your footage can be viewed by anyone, anywhere, rated and commented on by engaged viewers. And the most popular reporters gain huge audiences and countless opportunities to get awarded by reporting the news. With NewsSnapper, your footage might also get picked up by big TV networks, giving you more opportunities to get awarded and maybe become a broadcast reporter. Don't wait for news channels to break the news. Get out there and break the news yourself with NewsSnapper. First of its kind in the Arab world.